In this video, I'm going to show you yet another text-to-speech model, Chatterbox, which is at the moment English only but might expand to other languages. It is the first production-grade open-source text-to-speech model from Resemble AI under an MIT license, which is always heartening. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. This model has been built on 0.5 billion parameter llama backbone and trained on 500,000 hours of cleaned audio data. It represents a state-of-the-art zero-shot TTS system that can generate speech without requiring specific training on individual voices. There are a lot of benchmarks which are shared on their model card. One of the prominent one is that it has performed really well against 11 labs and also outperformed various other models. Anyway, let's get it installed and we will see how it works. I will also talk a bit more about its architecture down the road. This is my Ubuntu system and I'm going to use this NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's create a virtual environment with Conda. If you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Let's go back. Our virtual environment is almost done. And now let's git clone the repo of Chatterbox. Shouldn't take too long. And the good thing is that they also have provided this Chatter TTS or Chatterbox TTS as a pip installer, which is always good. Let me install that. And while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. All the prerequisites are done. Now let's launch our Gradio demo. And the first time when we run it, it downloads some model. And there you go, it is now running. Let's go to our browser and access it at localhost at port 7860. So first let's try out the example which they have given. So there is a text which we want to synthesize into voice, and this is a reference audio file. Let me first play the reference audio file.
Place in the distance. It's huge and dedicated to Lady Shah. It can only mean one thing. I have a hidden place close to the cloister where Nighthawk...
Okay, so this is the one. Let's see if in this voice this can be generated. Let's click on generate. It is running. Let's also check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming around, I would say, close to 5 gig of VRAM at the moment. I will just keep showing you as it runs. Just close to, I would say, 4.8, close to 5 gig of VRAM. I think it should be okay to run on CPU too, if you please. Let's close it. Let's run it.
Now let's make my mum's favourite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible.
And I have on purpose let it run through because I'm not sure what exactly was that at the end of it. Anyway, so you see it has done the expressions on the basis of text, which is quite good. And then there are a few other options which you can select around seed and temperature and prompt guidance, but I'm not going to worry about that. Now instead of this voice, I'm just going to select my own voice and see if it can do that. So let me first play my own original audio. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. Okay, let's see if it can do this again. So I will let it run. So it takes around, I would say, half a minute to generate it. It was less than half a minute, around, I would say, 15 seconds. So let's run. Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible. Now, this is, you know what, I'm not sure. You see, yes, there was a very, very strong hint of my voice. But regardless of that, if you remember in the previous one, the example which they have, the expression on oh boy was quite good. It was like really surprise and, glee. But when I do it in this voice, it was just very flat. So I'm not sure. I think this should work. This expression should work for any and every voice. Anyway, okay. So I'm just going to change the text here, and I'm going to also change the voice now. Okay, so I have changed the text, and you can see what is happening in this text. I am moving from excitement and disbelief in the first line to grief and melancholy in the second, and then to a more sort of reflective, hopeful tone in the third. So I just want to test if it can handle emotional transition, and if the exaggeration controls can emphasize the joy in the first line. And the voice is a different one, it's a JFK.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
I actually really, really love this line and the way he speaks. Anyway, so let me generate it. Okay, so it has done it. Let me run this.
I can't believe we actually won the championship after all these years of trying. But now that Dad's not here to see it, this victory feels so bittersweet and empty. Still, I know he'd want me to celebrate this moment and be proud of how far we've come.
You know what? It's not bad. I must say. I think voice cloning is really sublime. And there was a hint of expression too, so I would give it full marks. Let's try out another voice. I'm just going to select this female voice now. Let me play the voice first.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves.
Let's generate it. Okay, so it has generated it. Let me play.
I can't believe we actually won the championship after all these years of trying. But now that Dad's not here to see it, this victory feels so bittersweet and empty. Still, I know he'd want me to celebrate this moment and be proud of how far we've come.
Interesting. Okay, so you know what? I think maybe my audio file was not good enough because I just recorded it on my microphone, but in the later ones, JFK and this one, the expressions were quite decent, if not perfect. Anyway, it's not multilingual, it's English, but nonetheless, let's try it out. Maybe I will try it out on, let me see which audio I have, then I will go accordingly. So I have this Spanish one, so I'm going to play it first and then we can see if it can, maybe I'll generate it and play it. Muchas gracias por tu ayuda. Me gusta este lugar mucho. So let's see if it can do that. While it generates, let me talk a bit more about the architecture of this model in a few seconds. So what I believe sets this Chatterbox apart is its unique emotion exaggeration control feature, which is improving but quite good already. And I think this is first of its kind in open source TTS model, which allows users to adjust the intensity and expressiveness of generated speech if you tinker with it. There is also, as per their model card, something called as built-in Perth watermarking technology that embeds imperceptible neural watermarks in every generated audio for responsible AI usage. Okay, let's go back and try it out. Before I run it, I needed to make a request to you guys. If you're a Spanish speaker, German speaker, or any other language, can you do me a favor and then just record like 2 to 3 lines, or maybe 3 lines of whatever you want to say in German, and then the text, and then if you could email it to me, I will use it in the videos just for these testing, because I'm sure that like this Spanish one, I don't pronounce it correctly. So please do me a favor, if you could just email it to me, the audio file and the text in the email, I will be very grateful. Okay, so let me play this one.
No puedo creer que hayamos ganado el campeonato después de todos estos años intentándolo. Pero ahora que papá no está aquí para verlo, esta victoria se siente tan agridulce y vacía. Aún así, sé que él quería que celebrara.
Okay, that was pretty interesting. I'm not sure if it was right or not, but you have to advise me. I don't have any other. I would love to do the German. Maybe I could just keep this voice and I would try to do it in German. Okay, so I have selected again that female voice.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house,
And I have given it the German text. Let's see what it did here.
Ich kann nicht glauben, dass wir nach all den Drachen des Versuchens tatsächlich die Meisterschaft gewonnen haben. Aber jetzt, wo Papa nicht hierher ist, es zu sehen, fühlt sich dieser so bitter süß und leer an. Trotzdem weiß ich, dass wollen würde, dass ich diesen Moment verehre und stolz darauf.
Very interesting. I mean, I have no idea about German, but doesn't look bad to me. So if you're a German speaker, please let me know. So I tried it with Arabic. It doesn't work. Now, I tried it with Hindi, Urdu, and few Turkish, Persian. It doesn't work with those languages. In this one, I actually gave it the Chinese audio
院子门口不远处就是一个地铁站。
and the Chinese text, but it doesn't work. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about Chatterbox. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.